Okay, we're doing a fit check. My first attempt. Okay, dress is from Meshki. Shoes are Steve Madden. Purse is YSL. These are Bottega dupes from Amazon. Majuri. This is from a concert that I got. If you know, you know. Okay, thanks, bye. Not to get people's faces. I'm so hungry. That dinner was so good. That was very good. I would recommend this place. We were very friendly. Everybody was super nice. Oh, they're done. See?
Sure, yeah, sure. Sounds good to me, though. That's great.
Yeah. I want this yacht right here, though. Look, I need that. I need this yacht. That's my next charter. Right there. Okay, so we decided to sit and have a little drink at a place called Bar Monaco. Y'all, if you don't like an apple spritz, I don't. It's like too bitter.
No, that's a Campari.
Oh, sorry, Campari spritz, which is even more bitter. Get a Hugo spritz. Hugo spritz is so much better. It tastes like a mojito.
Mojito with Prosecco.
It's basically a mojito with Prosecco, and it's so good. Much better than Campari spritz. Okay. So beautiful. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I don't even want to put my sunglasses on. It's so pretty. To the hotel room, and we're just chilling, having some wine with ice cubes because there was no fridge in here, so we need to cool down our wine some way somehow.
Oh, white wine with ice is acceptable.
And as Tim says, white wine with ice is acceptable.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, the front desk guy gave us 2 recommendations for dinner, so I think we're gonna try this steak place. So we're not really big on fish. We prefer meat. I was telling Tim yesterday, I was like, I think if I grew up eating more fresh fish, maybe I would like it. If I'm gonna compare Venice to Positano or Capri, like 100% Venice is a lot easier to walk around. Like Capri and Positano, like Amalfi Coast in general, the walking is insane. And it's not like I don't like to walk. It's more so there's a lot of stairs. So if you cannot handle stairs, you're screwed over there. Literally screwed. Whereas here, there's a bit of bridges here and there, but it's mostly flat and it's actually really nice to walk around. So yeah, so now we are gonna go for dinner. I'm not gonna change. I'm just gonna wear this because we slept in and we went out like really late. We missed breakfast and everything. So just gonna like refresh my makeup a bit, make it more like, I'm gonna switch it from day to night. And I tried this new lash glue and it's actually okay, but so yeah, we'll do that and I will check in. Okay, bye. So we just took the boat from our hotel directly to the airport, and yeah, that was a really cool experience. I would recommend this.